Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the motions of the earth. Our earth has two types of motions, that is the rotation and the revolution. Our earth has two types of motions, namely rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. Axis of rotation. The axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66.5 degree with its orbital plane. The plane formed by the orbit is known as the orbital plane. Now we are going to discuss about the circle of illumination. What do you mean by the circle of illumination? Circle of illumination. The earth receives light from the sun. Due to the spherical shape of the earth, only half of it gets light from the sun at a time. The portion facing the sun experiences day, while the other half away from the sun experiences night. The circle that divides the day from night on the globe is called the circle of illumination. Now we are going to discuss about the Earth Day. What is an Earth Day? Earth Day. The Earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. The period of rotation is known as the Earth Day. What is a leap year? Now we are going to discuss about the leap year. Leap year. Revolution takes 365 and 1/4 days or 1 year to revolve around the sun. We consider a year as consisting of 365 days only and ignore 6 hours for the sake of convenience. 6 hours served every year are added to make 1 day. Over a span of 4 years, this surplus day is added to the month of February. Thus, every 4th year, February is of 29 days instead of 28 days. Such a year with 366 days is called a leap year. A year is usually divided into summer, winter, spring, and autumn seasons. Seasons change due to change in the position of the earth around the sun. What is summer solstice and what is winter solstice? Now we are going to discuss these two terms. What is the difference between the summer solstice and the winter solstice? Summer solstice. Summer solstice occurs on 21st June in the northern hemisphere. The whole northern hemisphere experiences more heat and light. It is summer in the northern hemisphere. Days are longer, nights are shorter. Reverse conditions prevail in the southern hemisphere. Winter solstice. Winter solstice occurs on 22nd December in northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere experiences less heat and light. It is winter in the northern hemisphere. Days are shorter, nights are longer. Reverse conditions prevail in the southern hemisphere. What is an equinox? Now we are going to discuss about the equinox. Equinox. On 21st March and September 23rd, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. So the whole Earth experiences equal days and equal nights. This is called an equinox. On 23rd September, it is autumn season in the northern hemisphere and spring season in the southern hemisphere. The opposite is the case of 21st March, when it is spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere. Thanks for watching the video.